Moving with pets is a whole new level of stress, but don't worry, Mission to Organize has got you covered.
Today, we're making moving with pets a whole lot easier. It's like Tetris, but with our furry friends who don't like change.
Let's jump into some simple organizing hacks to make things stress-free. Placing items that smell like you, like blankets or old t-shirts, around your pet's new space can help ease the transition.
Also, placing their bed near an air vent can help circulate their scent throughout the new home as well.
Oof.
Hiring a pet sitter can help keep them safe and out of the way during the move. Otherwise, boarding your pet ensures that they stay stress-free and everyone else can accomplish their tasks seamlessly. If you can't find a pet sitter, designate a calm room away from the movers and noise. Then you can place a sign on the door to make sure that everybody knows that your special family member is inside.
For moving day, avoid a frantic search by having your professional organizer pack up a pet essentials kit with food, water, bowls, leash, toys, meds, or anything that keeps your pet comfortable. Pets are sensitive to changes in their environment and their owner's emotions. A calm, steady routine is essential. Organize their daily care around your move so that even with all the disruption, their world stays as predictable as possible.
Exotic animals often need very special requirements when they travel. Ensure that their carrier is secure, well ventilated, and lined with the appropriate materials. Some animals may need heating pads or humidity control and specialized food and water containers, so don't forget those. Pets make life brighter, and with a little extra love, they'll be at home wherever you go.
Here's to making a move with your furry friends even better.
Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly blogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye!
And with a little extra love, they'll be at home wherever you go. I'm not wearing a mic.
Here's to making a...
Today, we're making moving with pets a whole lot easier. It's like paying... Placing the pet's bed in the new space can help spread theirs.
Where did you go? You just